Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can generate DALL-E 3 images like this for absolutely free every single day. So let's get started. Just go to Google and search for image creator, and we'll be getting the free AI image creator from Bing. Just open this and you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. So by default it will be giving us 15 credits each day, and with the help of each credit we can generate 4 images. So at the total we can generate of 60 AI images every single day, and it get refreshed the next day. Alright, so this is the place where we write our prompt, and these are the existing images available. So let me just go with the prompt, just click on create, and these are the images. They are generated by DALL-E 3 as it's clearly mentioned over here. And just look at the quality, it looks super high quality, hyper realistic. So you can just modify the prompt and you'll be getting the images that you had already generated to the side. Also it will be appearing over here. You can just reference it. Another way how you can access AI image creator is just go to your Bing homepage, and to the rightmost top you'll be having this copilot. Here you can just ask to generate an AI image. Okay, so let me just go with the prompt, generate an image of forest, something like this. I'll be getting the AI image generated. Yeah, and this is also powered by DALL-E 3, and it also has the exact same credit system that I had over here. So I think both are interrelated. So these are some of the ways how you can generate DALL-E 3 images for absolutely free, and this gets refreshed every single day. So you can just try using it all day if needed. And I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.